Welcome to Science Access. In today's class, I introduce you a very simple topic. Integration by substitution is actually one of the methods of integration. If you know you are new to this channel, please kindly subscribe. This is a very simple topic. Just let me introduce you to this topic. All right, so let's assume that you are asked to integrate, let's say 2x plus 3 bracket, let's say x squared plus 3x plus 9 raised to the power 5 dx. How do you do that? Now, it will be difficult for you to do it directly. You use a method called integration by substitution. Now, I'll give you the secret behind this method. You know that if you differentiate this, you likely get this. So let's say let u is equal to what? S squared plus 3x plus what? 9. So this question becomes 2x plus 3. Okay, instead of this is actually equal to what? U. So we now have what? Bracket u is to the power what? 5 dx. So note that. Now, once you say let this equal to this, differentiate what? Both parts. So du dx is equal to, now if you differentiate this, what will you have? You have 1. Now, if 1 multiply it, it's still the same thing, so you can leave it like that. Du dx is equal to, if you differentiate this, you have 2x. If you differentiate this, you have what? 3. If you differentiate this, it disappears. If you differentiate any constant, definitely it's out. So, make the x the subject of formula. This over 1. So, if you cross multiply and make the x the subject of formula, you have dx is equal to what? Du all over 2x plus what? 3. Cross multiply, then divide both sides by this. You have this as your answer. Now, once you have gotten this, what will you do? This equation, we write it 2x plus what? 3 u raised to the power 5. In place of dx is equal to this. So, in place of dx, put du all over 2x plus what? 3. This is the secret. Because I know that if I differentiate this, I'll have this. So this will now cancel out what? This. And automatically we now have what? Let's continue here. We now have what? This I've cancelled out this. We now have u raised to the power 5 du. Now you know your normal integration process. If you want to integrate this, what will you do? It's simple. U to the power of 5 plus 1 all over our 5 what? Plus 1 du. And what is our answer? Our answer is what? U to the power of 6 all over 6 plus what? C. And what is u? This is u. So you can now rewrite it as bracket x squared plus 3x plus 9 to the power of 6 all over what? 6 plus c. So this is the answer. It's a very simple question. So you just have to understand it perfectly. All right. So let's assume that you are asked to, let's say, integrate 3x what? Square all over x, let's say, raised to power 3 plus what? 9 dx. Now, how will you solve this? It's still simple. I know that if I differentiate this, I'm going to have something similar to this. So I'll just say, let u is equal to what? S raised to the power 3 plus what? 9. So here will become what? 3x squared all over u dx. Differentiate both sides. You have du dx is equal to what? 3x what? Squared. If you make the x the subject of formula, what will you get? If you make this x the subject of formula, you get dx is equal to du all over 3x squared. So ds is now equal to this. So in this place, I'll rewrite this as, let me write it here. 3x squared all over u. Now, in place of this dx, I'll write du all over what? 3x what? Square. This will automatically cancel out what? This. So, we now have what? Here is 1 all over u du. And you know our normal integration process. If you have 1 all over x, automatically it becomes what? U plus what? C. And what is u? This is u. So automatically the answer is what? S raised to the power of 3 plus 9, which is, this is u, plus what? C. So this is the answer. It's a very simple what? Concept. All right? Integration by substitution is very simple. Let's assume that we are even asked. All right? Let's just manage this little space. Let's assume that you are even asked to what? Integrate. You're asked to integrate, let's say, x cos x squared dx. I know that if I differentiate this, I'll have something like this. I'll just say let u equals to what? S what? Square. So this becomes x cos u dx. If I differentiate both sides, I have the u dx is equal to what? 2x. Now let's make ds the subject of formula over 1. So dx automatically become what? Du all over what? 2 what? X. So we can rewrite this. We can rewrite this. Integral of x cos u. In place of dx, what will you put? You put this. Du dx. Right? Sorry. You put du 2x. So this automatically cancel out. This x will cancel out this x. We now have what? Integral of what? Cos u 1 all over 2. There is an invisible 1 here. So 1 all over 2 du. Now, once it has gotten to this stage, you have actually gotten the answer. So what you just need to do is what? Bring out this 1 all over 2. 1 all over 2 integral of what? Cos u du. If you integrate cos u, what will you get? You automatically get what? Sine u. Alright, du. Sorry, there is no, once you integrate, the du is out. You now get sine what? U. So, what is now your answer? The answer is 1 all over 2 sine u plus what? C. What is actually u in this case? U is actually what? S squared. So, the answer can be 1 all over 2 sine s squared plus what? C. Alright, so it's a very simple what? Concept. Alright, let me clean. I want you to attempt this little question. Let's say you are asked to integrate, let's say 2x, or let's say minus 1 all over s squared minus x plus 5 dx. Now, solve this and what? Drop your answer in the what? Comment section. Now, note that if you integrate this, you are likely going to have something like this. So, use the same method that I've been using. The part 2 will be solving more challenging questions. Thank you for watching.